Instantly cool using PARKOO portable air conditioning. Integrated air conditioning. No need to install outdoor air conditioning. The 360-degree universal pulley design breaks the limitation of space. Super big touch panel. 1 to 24 hours timing function, saving energy and wireless. Adopt ABS environmental protection plastic. Equipped with safety and flame retardant electronic control box. More assured use. The machine is equipped with exhaust duct and window partition. Easy to install and immediately cool down. Connect to mobile app. Alexa, turn on the portable air conditioning. Instantly cool using PARKOO portable air conditioning.